Nope, something swimming in this container. Here we're looking at a Delta emergency water filter made in the US. So it's pretty much a sort of really, in case of emergency, not really a very reusable product, this. So it comes with a few plastic sheets that clip together. Let's try and see if it's very sort of logical and straightforward. It looks, yeah, it's got circles and squares on the edges that need to clip into each other. So let's see how well I managed to get this one. No, this looks like one I might need to look at the instructions for. I know you're supposed to make a cone of it, or does this? Okay, that makes sense. The circle clips into the square. It's not the most intuitive, but very easy to do. So there we have a sort of 3 parts of a square, and then that folds in together to give you basically a makeshift funnel. Then that you just put over one container, and then here you've got a little filter cloth. So see, we have 2 in here. The one nice thing with this filter is that you've got a carbon type base in here, which will remove a little bit of the taste as well. It's literally like the filter's just stapled together. It's a fairly simple one, and then you just fit this inside of this triangle. And behind me here, I've got a stream. Let's get ourselves some nice appetizing water here. And then the concept with this is literally you pour it into the top one and wait for it to filter through to the bottom one. Better not be terribly thirsty when you start this process. It's literally a drip, drip, drip through. Put that one there for comparison, but I think this is going to take a while. In the meantime, let's try something. I hope I don't manage to get myself too wet with this. It's definitely got not as nice a taste as you would through sort of a more dedicated camping type filter. So I suppose would work in an emergency, but wouldn't be the one I'd carry with me if I'm going out. I'd rather take something that's got an ultrafiltration base or so to take with. Visibly though, the water does look quite clean, but we'll let it run and see where we get to. Just top that up a bit. Ooh, and I could see there I spilt over the edge a bit, so you definitely have a risk of contaminating around the filter. So honestly, with this, I'd almost still want to boil it or use something like a aqua tab after you've run it through the filter here. Okay, interesting concept. We'll leave it to run a little bit and just visibly see how the water looks. All right, let's see what we can see here. After just placing a few drops, it definitely leaves a sort of funny aftertaste. I don't know if it's the carbon in the paper that's giving off, or what it is. It wouldn't be the one I'd carry around with me. Let's stick it on that one. Look, okay. Visibly though, we get a massive difference. It does look nice and clean. So you're definitely getting the worst out of it. And if it's for emergency situation, fair enough, you could probably do it. Must say though, there's nicer options available than this though. But interesting product, interesting concept. Nope, something swimming in this container. Okay.